Hi, so I am a newly monetized YouTuber. It is day 27 of being monetized, and it is exciting because every day I log into my YouTube channel and I can see that the amount that I'm earning is increasing ever so slightly, and it is very slightly. But I'm going to chat about tips about a YouTube channel, starting your YouTube channel, if you started already, to keep going with it, and to also chat about the monetization process, because I know that you want to get monetized. I know that you feel that it can be so far away because you need to have 4,000 watch hours to get monetized and 1,000 subscribers within a 12-month period. And it can seem really daunting, but it is doable. You know, there is only one you. And when we hear this from other people, we think, okay, yeah, but so what? But that means that when you create videos on YouTube, there's no one else in the entire world that will create videos in the same way that you have. Yes, there may be similar videos to yours, but they won't be an exact copy, right? They won't be exactly the same. So when you are starting with your YouTube channel and you're creating your videos, don't feel like you have to be a certain type of person to create YouTube videos. Don't feel like you have to be like the other YouTubers. You know, you are enough. Yes, you can improve with every video that you create, definitely improve. But the essence of who you are should shine through your videos. So maybe you've started with your YouTube journey and you aren't seeing progress and you are thinking, this sucks because I'm not getting anywhere with my channel. Or maybe you haven't even started your YouTube channel and you have been delaying it for a while and you're getting frustrated with yourself because you know that you want to start a channel, but you just haven't taken that leap of faith yet. I would encourage you to take that leap of faith because YouTube, besides getting financial rewards from it, there are so many other things. You benefit from immense growth on a personal level, on in a confidence way, because you become so much more confident. And if you also have started your YouTube channel and you just feel like it's not going anywhere, I would encourage you to keep going. Really look at your channel, see what you can do differently, see how you can improve, assess your videos, think about what works well, what doesn't work well, and how you can actually create the next video with improvements in it. Also look at other channels that are similar to yours and look at their most popular videos that are really performing well and create your own version of one of their most popular videos. So you're a small YouTuber, right? Or you even about to start this YouTube channel. Enjoy your small wins, savor it, appreciate it, revel in it. The time that you actually create your YouTube channel, enjoy that milestone that you actually did it. The time that you upload your first video, enjoy that. Even if nobody's watching that video, enjoy it. Don't feel so disheartened when you don't see fast growth. It took me 1 year, 3 months to be monetized. 1 year, 3 months, okay? And I didn't know if it was going to happen. I hoped it would, but I didn't know for certain if it would, because how can you know for certain? And I got my watch hours really quickly through a single video, and my subscribers, it took much longer. But I got there in the end, right? And that's the thing with YouTube. You don't know where it's going to lead to. You don't know if you're going to be monetized in 6 weeks or 2 years. You don't know. But if you keep going and you improve with every video, you'll get closer to your goal of being monetized. But while you are on that path, there are other things that you are going to enjoy. You are going to enjoy learning about how to research video ideas, learning how to create thumbnails, learning how to be creative or honing in on your creativity. You're going to be more confident on camera. You're going to be confident thinking on your feet. You're going to be confident in understanding how this platform works, understanding analytics. You're not going to be afraid of it because you're going to go with the mindset of, I'm going to learn. I'm not going to be afraid of this. I'm going to tackle this head on, okay? You're going to have that kind of mindset and that kind of mentality of things are possible and all things are possible if I keep trying. So it doesn't mean that YouTube is easy. It doesn't mean that YouTube is all roses. Absolutely not. YouTube can be extremely stressful at times. It can be extremely frustrating at times. At times you may feel like, well, what is my next step? And it may not come to you instantaneously, instantly rather. It can take time for you to actually understand what's your next move in your YouTube channel. So be patient with yourself. And that's the thing, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. And that is so true, because sometimes we think that things will happen so quickly, and we really, really believe that it's going to happen so quickly, and we create those false expectations, and we create such pressure on ourselves that if another YouTuber is doing this and excelling and growing at this rate, then why am I not growing at this rate? And by putting that pressure on ourselves, it actually diminishes our creative abilities, because we are then so pressurized to create the very, very best content. Instead, we need to have less pressure on ourselves and to go with the flow a lot more, and to just understand that we are doing our best. Yes, we are improving every video. Maybe we're improving the audio, maybe we're improving the background, maybe we're improving the delivery of it, and to understand that we shouldn't be so critical of ourselves on this journey, because if we are so critical of ourselves, then we are going to give up too soon. We are going to give up before we actually actualize this dream of being a YouTuber. And things take time in life. Things do take time in life. And sometimes you hear people say it's all about quality videos. Yes, have a decent quality of videos, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to wait to have a perfect video before you publish. They say it's better to be done than perfect, meaning that if it's of a decent quality, then publish that video, because your next video will be better. You'll learn from that. And the more you delay posting content, then you'll see that a year will go by and you may have posted only 2 videos. But if you are consistent, and this is really important, being consistent on this platform, then you will grow at a faster rate, right? And do have mental breaks from YouTube as well. Be consistent, but also have time to spend with your family, time to spend with your friends, time just to have downtime. Because when we have downtime, we allow ourselves to just de-stress, relax. And when we are relaxed, those ideas come flowing. When we are stressed, we limit the ideas. The ideas stop, because our bodies, our minds are focused on the stress of it and not the enjoyment of being a YouTuber. And being a YouTuber, it is fun, it is exciting. And sometimes we can be so consumed with the fear of failure, the fear of thinking that we are not good enough to be a YouTuber. We can be so consumed by all these other thoughts instead of seeing it as an adventure of, let's see what happens. The more videos that you create, then you'll be able to see, wow, okay, I created so many videos, I've learned so much along the way, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, you really will. So enjoy this process, enjoy the process of it, because sometimes we can be so goal orientated, right, that we forget that these are steps in your journey. And there are going to be times when you just feel like it's not working out, and that's normal. Normalize those times where it just feels like it doesn't make sense, right? Normalize it, because it doesn't mean to say that you started on your YouTube journey and everything's going to go as planned, and you aren't going to have hiccups along the way, and you're going to just blow up overnight. No, it does happen for some people, but it's not the norm, right? So you have a lot to look forward to, because there is so much that you learn about yourself on this platform. You really, really learn about yourself. You confront your fears. You confront your fear of being seen. You confront your fear of being judged, because then you realize, well, you know what? Yes, I'm putting myself on a platform. Yes, I'm being vulnerable. Yes, people are going to judge me. But I'm learning about who I am, and I'm learning to be confident, more confident. And this is benefit. I feel like you'll start to feel like, okay, you're adding value to the world, and the world is helping you also because you're becoming more confident. So it's a win-win, right? And when you stop overthinking this whole YouTube journey, this whole starting a YouTube journey, this whole uploading videos, this whole thing about, oh, my videos are tanking. When you stop overthinking it and you just go with the feeling of, let me relax, let me put in the effort, but let me not overthink this. Let me go with the flow. Let me see what happens. And you know what? The truth is, we aren't perfect people. There's no one in the world that is perfect. So why do we expect to be perfect as a YouTuber? It doesn't make any sense. But somehow in our minds, we think we have to be perfect to start a YouTube channel. We think we have to be perfect to upload videos onto this platform. And we put so much pressure on ourselves. Stop putting pressure on yourself. It's unnecessary. Be kind to yourself. And in terms of my analytics, I currently have 1,740 subscribers. I have made a total of $15.25, and I'm very grateful for that amount because it's just satisfying to see that I monetized, that yes, it took 1 year, 3 months, but I got there, and it's a lovely feeling. And most of that money actually comes from my YouTube shorts. I made $13.06 from my YouTube shorts. I made $2.17 from my videos. And I made 0.03 cents from my lives. So yeah, I haven't become a millionaire through YouTube. No way. But it's lovely. It's lovely. Every day it slightly increases. And yes, I made my 4,000 watch hours through a single video. It was my Harrods video, which I think I have about 4,100 hours through that video. And it has been a journey. It has been a journey of self-discovery, of putting myself out there, of learning about this incredible platform, which I think is only going to grow. And I think that, people are watching YouTube on TV. It's no longer about the conventional types of media, but these platforms are really taking over, like TV, etc. And it's fascinating, not just being on YouTube, but understanding the dynamics of this platform. So I really enjoy it when I see small YouTubers and they provide these updates because I think it's so interesting. And when I wasn't monetized, it really did motivate me when I used to see their journey. And it's like, a hero's journey, right? They started here, they had to climb the mountain, they fell down, and they still got out, and they got there, and then they got monetized. So I always loved watching their videos. So I've also created this video which also talks about the process. Do enjoy that video as well, and keep going. If you haven't started, start. If you have published videos but you feel like that everybody else is winning but you are not winning, don't believe that, because every person's journey on YouTube is so different. And at some point you will win if you continue to upload videos, if you continue to improve every video, you will win. But if you give up too soon before you actually want to give up, you'll never know. So keep going, okay? Keep going.